In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add table in Google Forms questions. If you've ever tried to build a table directly inside a Google Forms question, you've probably noticed there isn't a native table tool. The simplest, most reliable approach is to turn your table into an image and place it right beneath the question text. This method preserves your layout, keeps everything aligned, and looks clean on both desktop and mobile. Start by creating your table in Google Sheets or Excel. Set up your headers clearly. Adjust column widths so all content is visible, and keep the font size comfortably readable. Think standard body text, not tiny print. Make sure grid lines are visible and use bold or shading for headers if that helps readers scan quickly. Keep the table focused. Too many columns or dense text will be hard to read in a form, especially on smaller screens. Aim for good color contrast and avoid overly bright or low contrast fills that might make text harder to see. Next, take a screenshot of the table. Before you capture, zoom in a little around 125 to 150% so the text remains crisp after uploading. Use your device's screenshot tool to select only the table area, then crop away any extra margins so the image is neat and compact. Saving as a PNG or a high-quality JPEG usually gives sharp results without a huge file size. If your table is very wide, consider tightening the columns or splitting the content into logical sections before you capture, so everything remains legible. Now move to Google Forms and click the image icon next to the question title. Open your form, add your question prompt, and keep it short and clear, such as "Review the table below," followed by whatever you want respondents to do. You'll see a small image button near the question area. That's what attaches an image to this specific question. Finally, upload your screenshot. You can drag and drop the file or browse to select it. Once it's inserted, the table image will appear directly below your question text. Click the image to resize it using the corner handles. Make it large enough to read comfortably, but not so wide that it forces scrolling or becomes blurry. Keep an eye on clarity. Lines should be sharp and text should be easy to scan. If helpful, you can add a short description beneath the image to label the table or clarify what respondents are looking at. That's all there is to it. Your table will display exactly as designed right where your respondents need it. Thanks for watching.